Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a timepiece that completely caught me off guard. Now when this arrived it came in very simple, straightforward paper packaging. No fancy mahogany boxes or unnecessary fluff here, which keeps the price right where we want it. But as soon as you pull this watch out of the box, you realise where every single penny went. In my opinion, North Edge has to be the absolute best name of any Chinese watch company. It just sounds rugged, capable and adventure ready, and this model, the North Edge Abyss, completely lives up to that name. Many of you know how much I've praised the North Edge Triton in the past, but right out of the gate the first thing you notice about the Abyss is its size. It features a smaller, much more manageable case size than the Triton, making it infinitely more wearable day to day. And the build quality? Well, that's absolutely excellent. We're looking at a full 316L stainless steel case with beautifully executed finishing. Smooth curved transition that soften the edges, paired with layered lug craftsmanship that gives it a real premium, textured look in hand. Just look at this detailed watch face. It's an ice textured or glacial grid dial that catches light magnificently, paired with massive 3D hour markers and bold hands for instantaneous readability. Listen to that. That is a crisp, tight 60-minute unidirectional bezel action with zero backplay. Now, sitting right at the 12 o'clock position on the bezel is a very prominent luminous bezel pearl. I will say, because it stands out so distinctly, it's the kind of lume pip that might be easily knocked if you bang it around against rocks or heavy gear. But visually, it looks fantastic. Flipping it over, we have a neatly signed screw locked crown that screws down tight to ensure that 200 meters of water resistance, and the watch back itself is clean, simple and nicely designed. The diamond patterned rubber strap is soft, supple right out of the box and hugs the wrist comfortably without picking up lint. That glacial dial houses a solar cell beneath it. It charges from any visible light source, even faint ambient light. Once fully charged, you get up to 100 days of battery life. No battery changes, no opening up the case back and ruining seals. Just throw it on, wear it in the sun, and it keeps running. With 200 meters of water resistance and a screw-down crown, this isn't just a desk diver, it's a legitimate functional tool watch. When you charge up those large 3D markers and hands, the luminous contrast in low light is bright and clear. So what's the final verdict? I loved the Triton, but with the tighter dimensions, killer textured dial and the outstanding strap, this watch officially surpasses the North Edge Triton as my absolute favourite affordable dive watch. If you're looking for a grab-and-go solar diver that punches way above its price, this is an absolute winner. If you're looking for honest, detailed breakdowns like this every week, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Toodle pip!